I'm about to be on. Been on this mission since I first left home. Pack up my bags like nigga, I'm grown. Told myself to show myself to do no wrong.
What's up, YouTube? My name is Galen, and this is Galen's Gadgets. I want to thank you so much for joining me today again. Today I have another smartwatch. This is the Tinwoo smartwatch. It is another smartwatch that I've been looking at under $50. I actually got it on a flash sale for $28, but right now it is on sale for $38. So yeah, this is another great alternative in my opinion from the descriptions that I've seen on Amazon. Like for example, I saw that it had wireless charging. I saw a lot of watch faces and I saw a lot of functionality. So I will be unboxing this and giving you my first impressions of this watch. I definitely believe that the Rundoing watch is still my favorite watch right now for under $50. And the Yame watch, the 2020 version of it, it is a watch with amazing build quality, but the software was so iffy, I can't really suggest it anymore. I will be doing a full review on that watch and let you know what type of issues that it was having. And maybe one day Yame will fix those issues. So yeah, I'm not going to keep talking. I'm just going to get to this unboxing. So here is the packaging on this Tinwoo watch. As you can see, it just says smartwatch on the side. Not really anything else important. Has a sticker right there. See if I can get it. Well, I tore the box, so I guess I have to keep it that way. Okay, oh, I really like that. Looks like as soon as you open it, it has the watch under display. Take that off. Has protection around it, and I can already tell the build quality on this is pretty good just from looking at it so far. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get back with that in a second. Here's your charger. Let's see what type of charger that is. Okay, it's a proprietary charger. It looks like it will only work with the Tinwoo watch. But one thing that I did see about this watch is that it had wireless charging. So that's pretty nice. Here is your usual manual. Your T20 user manual. Let's see what else is in here. Yeah, that's all that is. Here's your normal customer service booklet. You get a 1-year warranty. It's telling you to follow them on social media. Okay, looks like it's more instructions here. Yeah, that's all that came in the box. So let's see, I'm gonna take this out now. And this is very nice. Let me take the sticker off. Let's see if it makes that ASMR sound for you guys. Okay, I did it a little bit there. But I can already tell the build quality on this watch is just amazing. This is my favorite watch so far that I tested under this $50 range in terms of build quality for sure. Let me just show you how it looks next to the Yame watch, which was probably my second favorite. Looks like the display is around the same. I will pull up that actual specs of that later. Looks like it has a rotating crown and 2 buttons. Yeah, the buttons are pretty stiff, but they feel clicky at the same time. So it doesn't really jam in there. Okay, that crown does not rotate. And as you can see, there are numbers around the perimeter of it, just for time purposes. It has a really classic look to it. That's my favorite part about this watch so far, the build quality for sure. And it comes with a black band. And I do not remember what color I got. I will let you guys know. I'm going to turn off my camera for a second and put all my information in and show you guys the software. Let's see if it powers on. Okay, looks like it's not charged yet. So yeah, I'm gonna charge this up and then walk you guys through the software. So I just paired this watch with the app that it is compatible with. It is called the Tinwoo app. It's super easy to find on the Play Store and the Apple Store. I did check both. All you have to do to set it up, you just turn the watch on. The top button is actually the power button. That's how you turn the watch on. And then you just click the top right, and then your watch will be there. You just click that. That's all it took. And there are just a few settings in there. Let me see if I have any upgrades. Okay, no new firmware is available. Okay, this is just the general screen with all of your basic information. I did put the watch on for a second, so it tracked my heartbeat. And this is really nice. I have not seen this at this price point. This is a GPS of the watch. So it is built in with GPS. I actually think it might be from the GPS on your phone. I'm not 100% positive, but yeah, there's that. Help center. And then here are just some general settings. There's some personal information. I didn't sign up. I didn't set a lot of that up yet. I just did my weight and height. Don't want to take a photo right now. You can use that as like a remote shutter. Here's some device settings. Okay, let me change this to Imperial. Okay, temperature, I'm going to keep that at Fahrenheit. Date format, that's fine with me. Gonna set call. Those are your call settings, your message settings, notification filter. Okay, these are the apps it looks like you can get notifications for. I got some from Discord a second ago, so I believe it just mirrors your phone's notifications. There is your resting heart monitor, your raise to wake. I'm going to keep that on. Okay, and find device. So you can see it's vibrating right now. Just going to hit OK on that. Okay, I'm going to go back. Let's see what else there are. This is just some general information. I'm going to keep that defaulted. I'm not sure what my running stride is or stride length, but I'm going to keep that steps goal and calorie goal. Okay, alarms. You can add an alarm. And application. I am going to enable Google Fit. That's one of my favorite things about this app. It can pair directly with Google Fit, which is one of the most accurate fitness tracking apps in my opinion. It's going to carry all of that data over there, and I just like how Google Fit looks better. Users data. I guess it will keep track of everything daily. Delete users data. Okay. Okay, so that looks like that's about it for the app. Okay, so I've been playing with this watch for a little bit, and it's really nice. I'm really feeling it. The build quality on it is very solid. It's probably my favorite built watch under $50 that I've tested so far. Just the perimeter of it, it really feels like metal, and there are ridges on this. I just really like that finish. It just shows that they took time to craft this watch. It really feels like an old school classic watch, and it's very weighty, which is another thing I like about it, and it's a pretty decent sized screen at 1.3 inches. I'm really enjoying the build quality of this watch. The bands that it came with are super comfortable, even though I'm probably going to replace them with my favorite leather band, since it is a 22 millimeter universal band size. So you can remove the bands just like the other few watches that I tested. Another thing I like about the build quality is the fitness tracker. It has a glossy finish. The other ones that are usually made of plastic are just a little uncomfortable to me, and they leave marks on my arms. I really like the glossy finish. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the software on this watch. The software on this watch is just super snappy. I really like how snappy it is. It's very smooth, no hiccups at all. It's super quick. Just swiping left gets you what you need to go. So when you swipe left 2 times, you get your beats per minute and then a sleep tracker. When you swipe once to the left, you get that your step count and distance and calories. Then that's your home screen, of course. When you swipe that way again, you get a few quick toggles. I believe that's your workouts. Yeah, that's your workout, which can also be done by pressing this bottom button. This top button, that always takes you home and closes the watch, and then the middle button takes you to like a little stopwatch. So the software on this is just really organized. I really like that. When you swipe down, you get your notifications to clear those. And when you swipe up, you get a few quick toggles. You can go into eco-friendly mode, which is like a battery saving mode. You're turning off all the smart features on your watch and just making it like a timepiece. You're just checking time on it. You can turn off notifications if you want to, if you don't want to receive notifications on your watch. You have a find your phone feature, and then you have the music toggle. My phone's kind of far right now, so I'm not gonna press that. Let's see, is there anything I'm missing? Another thing I like about this is the multiple watch faces. It does have multiple watch faces. Let's see. So yeah, these are your watch faces. So you can do digital or analog. I'm liking the analog ones better. You get 15 watch faces, I believe. Well, actually, I like this one because it has everything. Just gonna click that check mark. Here's just more quick settings. You can change the timeout on the watch, and you can change the brightness. Let me just turn that up. Don't remember what that does. Okay, I don't remember what those settings do. And that's just your general settings. That's how you're gonna restart your phone and everything. Okay, another thing I really like about this, it has its own weather app inside of the watch. So when you click on the weather, you can see all of the general information. So you can see today's sunset and sunrise, and then the temperature, the highs and lows, and what it is currently. And when you swipe up, you get a precipitation chance as well. And when you swipe up, you get a week forecast. You get another week. You get another week. I've never seen this on any of these basic smartwatches, so that's a very nice touch. So yeah, I'm gonna play with this for a few weeks now, and then I'm gonna give you guys a full review. I can already tell this is probably gonna be my favorite watch for under $50 right now. I'm really hoping it lives up to the hype. I will be dropping a full review on the Yame watch soon. This did not live up to the hype of the unboxing that I did. Just not a fan of the software, and it's just not consistent. So yeah, I'm gonna be reviewing this watch in a few weeks. Let me know if you have any questions about it in the comments.